Hey, I've been building this tool called haylxon for a couple of years now. It takes screenshots of URLs from terminal using Chrome's headless mode. It's written in Rust and about like 14x faster than alternative solutions, gowitness. I recently added remote browser support, and you can connect to already running Chrome instance, and then basically use that instance WebSocket to take screenshots of any URLs. In this video, I want to show you exactly that. So what I've got right now is Debian server already running Chrome instance on port 9223, and for haylxon, I just need to use that URL to basically take screenshots of any URLs. If I were to take screenshots of hackerone.com, I could do this. And yeah, I already took a screenshot. Yep. And if you got more than one URLs, then you can basically use pass of file of those URLs and then do things in parallel using tabs. Oh shit. Yep. I guess that's it for this video. If you want to check out, then you can check out my GitHub, github.com/haylxon. And that's it. Bye.